Facts that could save a life. Part 1. If you're not cooking fish and you smell fish in your house for no reason, there may be an electric fire. You're not cooking fish, you're gonna be cooking. If someone tries to kidnap you, scratch the attacker. If you could get away, maybe this could save your life in the future because now you have their DNA in your nails. I don't know if this helps. If you get kidnapped, you're probably already dead. I don't know. If you ever find yourself buried in an avalanche, they say just spit, because if you spit, the spit will follow gravity and then you can dig the opposite direction. If you're under snow, you don't know where to dig. If you wake up in the middle of the night and you smell gas, I guess it doesn't have to be in the middle of the night. I don't know why they said that. But do not turn the light switch on because you could blow up your whole house. Alright, another one is if you accidentally disturb a beehive or a wasp nest, do not go hide underwater. They would wait for you until you come out of the water and then they'll attack you. The more colorful and vivid the animal, the more likely it's poisonous, so don't touch it or eat it. If your pupil reflects white, I guess there's something wrong with your eye and you need to go see a doctor as soon as possible. I guess it could be really dangerous and you need to check it out. If a tornado looks like it's not moving, it's probably because it's moving towards you. So get out of there. Follow and like for more.